All of us now know about CO2 concentrations and how they're increasing in our atmosphere due to anthropogenic emissions. Well, after that CO2 that we produce goes into the atmosphere, where do you think it goes from there? Yes, plants and phytoplankton do take up CO2 in photosynthesis. This is one of the ways that CO2 is taken up from our atmosphere. However, another important process requires the formation of carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is a natural part of rainwater, and it's actually why our rainwater has a pH of about 5.4, which is less than the neutral 7 but greater than coffee. This slightly acidic rain falls onto rocks all over the world and chemically breaks them apart. Take this olivine rock, for example. Here is some CO2 and water falling in it from the atmosphere as rain. Now that olivine's magnesium has become magnesium 2 plus ion, while the carbon and silica have become bicarbonate and silicic acid. These chemicals will often then flow into a nearby river. Where does this river eventually lead to? If you said the ocean, you're correct. These natural chemicals eventually make their way out to the ocean, where they are utilized by a variety of ocean organisms. For example, magnesium and silicic acid are both very important micronutrients for phytoplankton. However, the bicarbonate is actually an essential nutrient for the production of phytoplankton biomass. These phytoplankton, however, live for only a few days. After they die, the majority of their bodies are recycled into the upper surface waters. However, a very small fraction of it is in fact buried down there in the sediments. These carbon-rich bodies will continue to pile on top of each other, one after the other, until they make these nice banded layers of sediments at the bottom. Now we won't see that carbon for another tens of thousands of years. So it's time to say goodbye!